What if a world ruler was named in prophecy more than a century before he was born? Before the Persian Empire rose to power, before Babylon fell, before Jewish exiles returned home, the Bible already spoke about a king named Cyrus. He was not an Israelite prophet. He was not part of David's royal line. Yet God called him by name and used him to reshape world history, from conquering mighty Babylon, to opening the way for Jerusalem's restoration, to fulfilling ancient prophecy in astonishing detail. Cyrus the Great became one of the most remarkable rulers connected to Scripture. Today, we uncover the incredible story of Cyrus the Great. 1. What if your name appeared in prophecy before you were even born? More than a century before Cyrus the Great ruled Persia, the prophet Isaiah wrote his name down specifically. In Isaiah 45, God called Cyrus his anointed and declared that he would help restore Jerusalem. And that's exactly what happened. After conquering Babylon, Cyrus issued a decree allowing the Jewish exiles to return home and rebuild the temple. Cyrus didn't grow up in Israel. He wasn't a Jewish king, yet God still used him to fulfill divine purpose. Cyrus reminds us that God's sovereignty extends far beyond borders, empires, and human expectations. 2. Babylon looked impossible to conquer. Massive walls, iron gates, and enough supplies to survive for years. Yet in a single night, everything changed. In Daniel 5, Babylon fell as Cyrus and the Persians entered the city. Even more astonishing, long before it happened, Isaiah 45 declared that God would open doors before Cyrus and break through gates of bronze. History records that Babylon's defenses were bypassed as the Persians entered through the river system beneath the city. The empire that seemed untouchable collapsed overnight. Cyrus reminds us that no kingdom, obstacle, or power can stand against God's sovereign plan. 3. What if God prepared hidden treasures for a king who didn't even fully know him yet? In Isaiah 45, God spoke directly about Cyrus and promised, "I will give you hidden treasures, riches stored in secret places." As Cyrus conquered empire after empire, enormous wealth, power, and influence came into Persian hands. But the prophecy wasn't just about money. God was revealing his authority over kings, nations, and history itself. Cyrus became living proof that God can open doors no human power can shut. And through Cyrus, entire nations shifted while God's greater plan moved forward. Cyrus reminds us that history is never random. God remains sovereign over every kingdom on earth. Cyrus the Great stands as one of history's most fascinating examples of prophecy fulfilled in real time. His story reminds believers that God rules above nations. No empire can stop divine purpose, and history itself unfolds under God's sovereign hand. Like, share, and subscribe for more Bible stories and Christian motivation.